Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to tell you how to change and customize theme on any Samsung phone. So firstly guys, just long press on the home screen. Now we have an option of a theme. So just tap here. And then these are all the themes. So I am choosing the theme and then click to download. Okay. After downloading, just tap to apply. So that's how guys we can change the theme in Samsung phone. But if you want to customize your theme, so just go to the themes option. I want to change the icons. Tap to icons, and these are all the icons. So I am using these icons. Just tap to download and then I tap to apply. So as you guys see, the icon is now completely changed. So that's how guys we can change and customize theme in Samsung devices. So that is it guys about the video. If this video helps you, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.